good, busier than ever. Small talk, work and the weather. Your guard is up and I know why. Because the last time you saw me, you still burn in the back of your mind. You gave me roses and I left them there to die. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. I go back to December all the time. Turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I realized what I had when you were mine. I go